Here we have a flash drive that came in for data recovery. Customer said he knocked it off by mistake and he is not able to access files from the drive anymore. Let's take a look at the drive. Based on initial inspection, I do see the socket wobbling a bit. We may have to secure that socket back in place. I do not know if there's anything else wrong with the drive, but let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, I see 3 broken traces. This here, see, it's broken off this resistor here. Same thing with this. And this one should be connecting to, where should this one be connecting to? I'm doing very good.
Well, I'll let you go back to work.
Take care.
Bye, I need you.
All right, take care. Okay, buddy, so you're all good. Let's take a look at the drive. So the socket, we do see 3 broken pins. This one should connect here, this one should connect here, and this one should connect right on the trace under it, which connects, I believe, to this end of the resistor. Let's test. Meter in continuity mode. Okay, so this one should go here, this one should go here, and this one should go here. We do not know if there's anything else wrong with the drive, but the first thing that we have to do is fix the socket. We'll try it and we'll take it from there. Okay, so we are done. Let's quickly test the pins on the NAND chip, just to make sure nothing is loose. Okay, so this side of the board is good. And let's check the controller quick. So the controller chip is good. And I don't think we need to test here. Okay. Let's see if the drive will work. The drive is working. we hear the sound. Computer recognizes the drive, and there you go. The drive is fixed. I'm gonna start backing up the files just in case and call the customer to come and pick up. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.